Fucking heat.
Right guys, obviously things are happening here. There's a bit of a struggle going on. I'll do that. Here you go guys. I'll help them. That's what I'm here for. Just to help and watch and make sure that Matty doesn't fall down the stairs backwards.
That'd be handy.
Quite a drop. There's Cameron there, he's got a tattoo on his left arm. Here we go. Down into the black hole of Calcutta. Down there. Hand stuck everyone. There, well, here we go. Here we go. Couple more, Dan. That was a good job. Good job. You can have a kid's lemonade for that. There we go. That's right. There we go. What a job. I'm showing Glyn this tomorrow. Show Glyn what hard work's all about, yeah, Dan? What? You want a raise?
Oh, my phone's ringing. It's council.
Shit, go on.
What?
Matt's like, what?
Council.
Alright, mate.
What? I'm ringing again.
Again?
The fuck's going on?
I missed it. Good.
Never mind, I'll call later, won't they?
Yeah.
Right, guys, good job, good job. Pay rises maybe next year. Maybe next year, Matt.